So I chose the film Vegucated, which was originally produced in 2010, and then it was later aired again in 2011. So there was like some conflicts with the dates, but it was originally produced in 2010 by two authors, Frank Mataska and Demetrius Bagley. The film Vegucated as equipment, I use it as equipment for living a healthier life. The film, which is my thesis, in the film Vegucated, viewers get to see three individuals take part in a study that will reveal what happens when humans stop consuming meat and adopt a plant-based diet. So that is the summary of the entire film, and which ties into my paper. So my outline is here. So we went over my thesis. So the introduction is just to introduce you to the social experiment, and this which will reveal the inhumane conditions of animals for meat consumption by humans. It will show The social experiment will show how taking meat out of your diet will reduce and eliminate diseases common in Americans, as well as weight loss. And also, the film provides sort of like an outlook and a view for Americans to just insight for you to make your own dietary choices for healthier living. So I tied my paper in, and the connection that I found with the films from Equipment for Living, one of them that I found, which I thought was going to be very difficult for me to find a connection, but I actually found like a human connection with the film Vegucated along with the other films that we had to study. One of them was Conversions of Americans' Consciousness, the Rhetoric of the Exorcist. So although we were looking at a demon, and I'm not trying to compare the demon to meat, but just showing you as humans, when we see a film, the reaction that we get, the connection that I felt to the three individuals, especially the single parent, being one myself, just wanting a better life for myself and my family, and just seeing, the results. Those are results that I would want. So I just found the connection. So I was able to tie in Equipment for Living, talking of love and loving, talking in Phaedrus and Pride and Prejudice, excuse me. Also, movies as equipment for living, a development analysis of the importance of film in everyday life. So I just tied in just the human connection and what we feel and what we see when we watch a film. What we see on the film, we kind of react. I also talked a little bit about the film What the Health. I focused on Vegucated, but I put What the Health in because most people, when you say Vegucated, they're not really sure. Oh, I didn't see that video. But when you mention What the Health, most Americans, if they didn't see it, they saw it, so they can relate. They know what it's about. So the whole paper was just to kind of give you an insight of what happens when you just take a look at the video, see the results, see if that's a choice that you want to make for yourself. Just an insight. I like that Tesla was one of the individuals who is undecided. I just felt like it was just more of a truthful insight, into how an average person would look at it. Like, I've been eating meat all my life. I'm not gonna stop, but I'm thinking about it now. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I have a consciousness about it, and that's all I wanted to portray in my paper. So thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed it.